This is a film about nothing. Well, actually, it's a film about my struggles with anxiety, stress, and imposter syndrome, which is something. Well, let me explain. These are my friends, and believe it or not, this was my first time meeting pretty much all of them. They are all creators, and damn good ones at that. As someone that struggles with imposter syndrome, leading up to this trip, I felt like I needed to have an immaculate plan for a film to prove to myself that I belonged here. And this is where the stress and anxiety came in. But this wasn't the point of the trip. It was taking my excitement away from meeting these amazing people, sharing these incredible experiences, and learning from the best of the best in my field. So I decided to make a film about nothing, with no premise, no immaculate plan, no stress. Just a film to capture these moments. Something to allow me to freeze these memories in time. And I'm so fucking happy I did.